How to hide views on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to hide the views on Instagram on your profile of your reels or photos you've added, what you're gonna do is first simply open Instagram app on your device. Now, in the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see your profile's logo. Open it. Now, it'll take you to your profile where in the top right corner you'll see a three bar option. Go there and then you'll be directed to settings and activity. From here, scroll a bit down and under what you see, you can see the option which says like and share counts. Click on it and then you'll be taken to this page. Over here you can see hide like and share counts. Just toggle this on and there you go. Now the number of likes and share has been hidden from other people, and this also applies to the Thread app. So this is how you can hide views or likes on Instagram. So hope you like this. Thank you for watching until the end of the video and see you in the next video.